Hey guys, Derek with MHC Truck Source here in Kansas City again, and today I'm going to show you one of our 2015 Peterbilt 587s. I currently have 12 of these available in different colors. Let's get started. These have a PACCAR MX-13 pushing 455 horsepower and getting excellent fuel economy. These have twin 100-gallon fuel tanks. They all come with air slide fifth wheels. They've got good rubber, and they're decked out on safety. Let's take a look at the inside. The insides of these trucks are decked out. They've got spacious double bunk sleepers, refrigerators. They've all got inverters paired with a 10-speed manual transmission. They've got safety features such as collision mitigation and ABS. They've also got navigation. Like I said, I have 12 of these, all priced under $50,000 for 2015s. Give us a call today.